Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add header and footer to a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file and select Organize option, and this header and footer option, click here. Now select Add, and this header footer dialog box now open. This is left header text, this center header text, this is right header, and click on this right header and put your right side of this page and type your header name or text and see this the header now showing here. As font size, you can increase decrease this header size, as color also you can see this bold, underline, as font style, as margin you can increase decrease this margin. See this is bottom margin, and also you can insert page range here. You can add a specific page range or all pages. Now simply select OK, and see this header now inserted. In this way you can add footer in PDF file. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.